So, hi dear Leo, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal monthly reading for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 1st till the 15th of October 2024. I'm going to tap into your recent past, current energies, and near future, and we will see the guidance as usual. Starting with the overall energy for the first 15 days of October 2024 for you guys. And it's not a love reading or career reading or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. And good to go. If it is not resonating, it's not your story as usual. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box, and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Okay, Leo, let's see the overall energy for Leo people for the first 15 days of October 2024. Let's see. We have the Chariot. So, Leo, you are going to be very determined. You are going to be very much in this energy of no matter what. I am going to move forward in a certain direction, and I'm not going to look back no matter what, no matter if hell is going to like break on earth or whatever. But I am going to keep moving forward because this is very important for me. So, you are in this energy of letting go of something or someone out of your life, out of your system, to the level of being so determined that no matter what, I have to move forward. Okay, not looking back. Now, let's see in the recent past what was happening, Leo. We have the Nine of Wands. You were heartbroken, you were sad, you were wounded, like you were like a wounded warrior, and you were very defensive about something or someone. So even if somebody was trying to fix something with you, you were like, nope, not ready. Now in the current situation, the Four of Swords, right now you're on the healing path, healing yourself properly, letting go of something or someone out of your system, very slowly but surely. Okay, very much in this energy of healing yourself properly. By the 15th of October, the Six of Wands, I do see you being in the limelight, being in your love, in your own love. I do see you getting success, victory, and good kind of vibes and good kind of energy. So attracting a lot of uh, social gazing towards you in some way. Okay, let me clarify the Nine of Wands in the recent past for you guys. We have the Ace of Swords and the Four of Wands and the Ace of Cups. Wow. So something new or someone new was trying to enter in your life and provide you some kind of stable deal on the table, and you were quite happy about that. But something in you made you realize that you were not ready for that kind of energy at that time. So you were like, your guards were up. For some of you, even if you were going towards a new person, new situation, new connection, whatever is applicable in your case, a new career opportunity, you were kind of guarded. You were not fully open to that idea of being in that kind of energy and moving forward towards something serious or towards something stable. You were just trying to go in that direction, like one step at a day, one step at a time, kind of a deal, but your guards were up. You were kind of scared to open up to new opportunities just like that. You were taking your time. But at the same time, even if you were taking your time or you were taking things slow, you were not able to open up to something or someone fully, right? Even if you were trying to, okay, because of the hurt and because of the pain that you experienced in the recent past. Now, Four of Swords, you're taking things really very slow. You're healing yourself. You're not in any kind of rush or hurry, or you're not in any kind of this energy of wanting something quickly or too quickly. Let me clarify the Four of Swords here. We have the Ten of Wands, the Five of Pentacles, the Page of Wands, right? You are coming out of a very stressful phase of your life, Leo, and you are dropping everything and everyone that is not making sense to you anymore, that is not aligning with your energies anymore. You are coming out of like feeling left out in the cold or feeling like a victim kind of era of your life, and you are heading towards this energy of slowly but surely you are opening up to new people, new situation, new connection, new things, new opportunities with the light-hearted kind of approach, not taking anything or anyone too seriously. Okay, you're heading towards a brand new chapter of your life, slowly but surely, with a again with a childlike energy, with this childlike naiveness, and with this childlike enthusiasm, like, yeah, everything is going to be sorted, everything is going to be fine, it's just a matter of time. Yeah. So by the 15th of October, we have the Six of Wands. So some kind of success or victory is on the cards for you. Something is going to make you feel like a mini celebrity kind of energy. If you are in some kind of creative field or entertainment industry or something like that, you might get some kind of opportunity to showcase your talent. Wow, I'm telling you, something is coming towards you, something very beautiful is coming towards you, a brand new opportunity, a very good opportunity is coming towards you, something that is going to align with your heart and soul, and something that's going to make you very, very happy is coming towards you. A brand new opportunity for most of you. It's related to your work, job, career. It's related to your success and victory. It's related to something that you really wanted to have from a very long time. You're working on something from a very long time, a project or collaboration or job or career opportunity or business opportunity that you were working on from a very long time, or that you were looking forward to have. Now finally it's here. Finally success and victory is on the cards. Finally your dream job, dream career, deep dream, finally it's like dream come true in some area of your life. It's like a wish fulfillment in some area of your life, and it's going to make you very, very happy, and you're going to be in public eye. Your status is going to increase. Your money, job, career opportunity is going to increase. For some of you it's like a new career opportunity, a brand new career opportunity, or for some of it's a promotion kind of a deal. If not related to work or job or career area, something in your energies is going to shift big, big, big time, and you are going to attract a lot of followers, a lot of people towards you out of the blue in a very, very positive way. So wow. So Leo is going to shine in a very, very beautiful way in the coming future. Let's see the guidance for you guys here in the situation, Leo. We have the Ace of Swords, the Queen of Wands, the Queen of Swords. So it's like be very, very clear, very, very clear about what you want from the other energy, the other person, the other situation. So whatever you are involved in, first of all be very, very clear about everything in your head, then take the step in that direction. And if other people, other energies are involved with you in any way, please make sure that you are going to give them clear cut message and understanding of what you are up to and what you want from them. Because any kind of misunderstanding or any kind of miscommunication, whether it's towards yourself, towards your goals, or towards other energies, can create some kind of chaos and conflict, and that can hinder the progress of your work, or whatever your aim or goal is, or whatever you're heading towards. Like hinder, I mean, I do see eventually you getting the success, but the way you want it, the way you deserve it, but at the same time any kind of misunderstanding or miscommunication is going to create some kind of unnecessary conflict or chaos that might not like. Okay, so this is very, very important for you to be very, very clear and honest with yourself, and whether with other energy or energies involved in whatever you're trying to create here, or whatever you're trying to achieve here. Okay, so clarity, and clarity of communication, clarity of thoughts, clarity of understanding between you and the other people or other energies involved, right? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.